HGR Industrial Surplus buys used and surplus industrial equipment. We help companies just like yours to clear space and recover value from unwanted equipment. Last year, we purchased 4,000 truckloads of surplus, freeing millions of feet of productive space and repurposing thousands of items. Over the course of your operations, things just have a tendency of piling up. A machine here, a piece of maintenance or material handling equipment over there, and even a stockroom of MRO supplies and spare parts for equipment that is no longer in service. But getting rid of all that stuff can be a hassle. That's where HGR Industrial Surplus comes in. We want to buy anything that you are no longer using, from machinery to MRO and everything in between. From the shop floor to miscellaneous items gathering dust in the corners or sitting outdoors exposed to the elements. HGR buys multiple truckloads, single items, or entire plants. Think an auction is right for you? HGR does that too. We have a buyer located near you who is constantly on the lookout for used and surplus industrial equipment, and he wants to buy your surplus. So, how does it work? Simply call your buyer or submit a 30-second web inquiry. Briefly describe what you have to sell and how our buyer can get in touch with you to schedule an inspection. Your buyer will give you a bid for your surplus. Once you accept the bid, we'll overnight you a check. We arrange shipping at your convenience. Need to get the stuff out right away? No problem. Just let your buyer know that. Need a bit of time to pull things together? That's fine. We're flexible. HGR provides a valuable service to companies large and small, including many of America's largest companies. We've been in the business for 20 years and we pride ourselves on outstanding customer service. HGR wants to buy your surplus. All you need to do is let us know what you have to sell.